Making an impressive meal doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we're making a Furikake Mahi Mahi with roasted Kabocha squash that's both simple and delicious. Let's get started. First, we're going to prepare our squash. The Kabocha squash, or Japanese pumpkin, is much like other winter squashes. It's going to be a little buttery, a little nutty, and add a nice sweet complement to our fish. Now, also like winter squash, it can be a bit tough to cut. But here, we're going to use a trick. Just pop it in the microwave for a few minutes, and it'll soften it just a bit. Once our Kabocha squash is softened, we're going to cut it into wedges. First, we're going to cut in half and remove the seeds, then make wedges that are about 1.5 inches thick. Once we have all our wedges, we're going to put them in a nice big bowl and toss them with a few tablespoons of olive oil and some salt and pepper until they're nice and coated. We're going to put these wedges in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Halfway through, just flip them over. Now that our squash is roasting, we can prepare our fish. And here's where we pull out our secret weapon, the furikake. Furikake is a Japanese rice seasoning that comes in a variety of flavors. Here we're going to use nori, which is one of the most widely available. Nori is a mix of seaweed and sesame seeds that's going to add color and crunch, and most importantly, umami to our dish. First, top each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of the mayonnaise, then spread it around. Next, sprinkle each fillet with about 2 teaspoons of the furikake. Then we'll place the fillets in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Our Mahi Mahi is out of the oven, so all we have to do is plate. We're going to add a few wedges of our squash and a fillet and a garnish of green onion. I hope your guests enjoy this just as much as mine do. Let's dig in.